Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the ultimate Windows 11 gaming performance optimization guide. To optimize gaming performance on Windows 11, you can follow these steps. First, update your graphic drivers. Ensure your graphic drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, which is NVIDIA, Intel. So as I'm going to update install, what you have to do is open your Google Chrome web browser, and in the top section over there, type down Intel and enter it. And what you have to do is simply visit the website of your GPU manufacturer. And once I click on this first option after here, and you'll get into an interface like this. What you have to do is on the top right corner, there's this option, search intel.com. Look out for the graphic drivers, type down graphic drivers and enter it. And after that, you'll get additional search results like this. And simply click on the download option from over here. Or you could also try updating your Windows. Make sure your Windows 11 is up to date. In order to do that, simply press the Windows and I keyboard at the same time, and you will be opening the setting. And what you have to do is on the left corner, there's a Windows update on the bottom, and look out for the Windows if it's updated or not. Or you could also try restarting your computer, and it also helps you in that as well. And also try disabling your background apps or the background processes as well. As it's open the Chrome right over here, simply disable or simply remove this option as well, and you don't need running apps or any other pages background while gaming. And this is it guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.